My name is Ben McLaughlin. I'm an MBA student with Thompson Rivers University, and I'm currently doing my thesis project building my own tech startup. My goal is to build financial planning software that enables regular people to do their own planning. The reason that I'm doing this is that I worked in the financial services industry for some time and quickly realized that the best advice that I could give somebody is don't work with a financial planner. Mainly because the fees that somebody pays working with an advisor work out to about 40% of their overall returns that they would make. And so they're really better off just investing with a really low fee robo-advisor with a company like Wealthsimple as opposed to investing with a high fee service firm. In the long run, statistically, the best thing you can do is just keep your fees low. The problem is that people still need access to some form of financial advice, such as how much they should contribute to their registered retirement savings plan or their tax-free savings account. And a lot of people want to know this, but they aren't willing to work with an advisor and pay the cost to figure that out. So my goal is to build a software platform that enables people to punch in some of their details, and it'll give them a detailed breakdown of how much they should allocate to different savings accounts. It'll show them their marginal tax rate and their average tax rate. The main goal being to teach them how their finances works, and they can see how everything works together so that they can make decisions that are wise and end up, ideally, the main thing is just saving taxes. So after saving money on fees, the next big place that you can save money is through taxes. So I'm using my skill, having worked as a financial advisor, to build algorithms. I've also learned software development. So I'm spearheading most of the development myself. I'm looking for computer science students who might be interested working on this type of project. Ideally, I need somebody that has worked with React or at least some sort of front-end framework. I haven't worked with Angular, but maybe that's somewhat similar. Somebody that's willing to learn. So if you don't know React, then it takes at least about 30 hours, I would say, of focused learning to really get the fundamentals down of React, as well as Redux, which is the data storage system for React. So if somebody were wanting to work on that part of the project, it would be quite a lot of learning they'd have to put in. Another place that I could use somebody is if somebody's skilled with algorithm design, preferably in JavaScript, because that's what I work in. We need to do a lot of very complex algorithms that, say, calculate their Canada Pension Plan payment, or might calculate the most effective way to be drawing their income in retirement according to their income throughout their life. So we can look at their tax rates and break that down. So that requires an understanding of financial math, but most of that is easy to learn because there's lots of resources online. And so with all of it, I'd be there to guide you through the process and show you the learning materials that would work best. And then I would also give you some key deliverables. So it would require the same amount of work as any course load or any course that you're taking right now. But hopefully you would learn some new skills, and then you could say that you worked on a tech startup. And I'm really hoping to launch this and become a real viable business by the summer. I'm hoping to do my launch. Right now the project is about 60% complete. I've got most of the layout done and all the styles and everything in place. Now it's mainly just the testing. There's a few more things that need to be developed, as well as setting up a database, which is what I'm working on right now. So if anybody's interested, I'd love to hear from you.